How to connect a TX7110 heat detector to the control panel. Before starting any wiring work, make sure the control panel is completely powered off. The TX7110 heat detector uses the same 8-terminal base as the rest of the TX7100 series. For loop wiring, we'll use 4 key terminals. 1 loop in, 5 loop in, 2 loop out, 6 loop out. Connect the incoming loop from the control panel to terminals 1 and 5. Then run the outgoing loop to the next device from terminals 2 and 6. If you need a remote indicator, use terminals 3 and 4 for positive and 7 and 8 for negative. Once wired, use the programmer to set a unique address between 1 and 254. Secure the base, mount the detector, and twist to lock. Power up the panel. The detector should appear on the loop with a normal status. And that's how you install and connect the TX7110 heat detector to the control panel.